Uh-huh. Do you have to put your food in your hair? Is that what you're doing? Yeah. Are you still hungry? Oh, that's perfect. Thank you. Yes, barbecue sauce in your hair. That's going to make it look super nice. Oh, yeah. That's really, really good. Archer, are you all done? All done? All done, or you want something else? Well, we just had to show everyone our new hairstyle and show you how well barbecue sauce works as a gel. Okay, just in case you were looking for a new product. Wait, bye-bye. Bye-bye. No? Yeah. Okay.